Alright, so I'm taking out the fork legs on a CB300F. This fork leg right here. So to take that off, you need to take out the wheel, fender, brakes, and everything. So why I would take this fork leg off is basically I need to change out the springs or fork oil or whatever, service it. So there's two bolts that's holding it. The one down here, this is a 14 millimeter. This one up here is a 12. So I'm going to use the 12 one first. So because of the headlight, there's basically no clearance for a socket, so I'm using a box end wrench. I'm going to loosen up the top one first. That's a 12. And where I want to loosen the top one first. And actually, I'm going to get to that in a moment. Let me loosen this up first. So there's a little clutch cable guide that's also attached to it. So when you're loosening this up or tightening it up, watch out for that. Don't let it spin out and kink up your clutch line. And actually, it also acts like a washer as well for that nut. Hope I could get this all the way off without having to remove the headlight unit. See if that works or not. It looks cool. If it doesn't, well, I'll have to remove the headlight unit. It's just more of a pain. I think it'll work without removing this headlight unit here. Let's see. Looking at the headlights, there's actually a few bolts. Okay, got it out. Okay, cool. I was able to squeeze it out. Again, watch out for the this is the little cable guide for to hold the clutch cable. So I'm actually going to just let this hang on the clutch here, so I don't forget about it when I put it back on. Hopefully, I won't forget about it. So that's the bolt up here, the top clamp. Before I loosen up the bottom clamp, what I want to do is actually the top cap on the fork. I want to loosen that up. So with this top clamp bolted down, you can't loosen it up because it's pinching it and it's holding it tight. So you have to loosen up this top clamp first before you loosen up the top cap on the fork itself. So that is actually a let me see, what size is that? That's actually a 17 millimeter, I believe. So it's a 17 millimeter. 17 millimeter. So the bottom clamp here, this is what holds the fork leg from spinning when you're loosening up this top clamp. That should be enough, I think. It doesn't need that much. Just enough to break it free. Otherwise, if you try to break it free without without anything holding the leg, it's just there's no way you can break it free. It's just gonna spin. The leg's just gonna spin. So good enough there. Now I can loosen up this bottom one here. Again, box wrench, because I don't have much clearance here. I'm not sure if I could actually have enough clearance to clear this, again, to clear the headlight unit. Oh, it's tight. Now, this thing doesn't have much leverage on it anyways. Okay, whoops. That's it, that's all you need to do. And actually it slid down. Actually, I didn't even need to take off just the top one all the way off. I could have just left it loose as well. So you just slide the fork leg off, and there you go. Here's the fork leg. So you do the same thing on the other side. Obviously, you got to take the brake caliper off first on the other side. That's how you take off the fork leg. And now my fork cap here is open, so I could actually take this off easily because it's not tight anymore. Still need a wrench, but it's a lot better without the. Alright, that's it. Thank you.